In today's video, I talk about how to fix WhatsApp error can't download problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section. Then go to the search and search on WhatsApp. Next, go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe try to turn the Wi-Fi or turn the Bluetooth on and turn it back off. Turn it off and turn it on. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you want to clear data, all your documents and all the media and the messages will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.